Guys,
I'm that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Yeah, I'm the hood Mona Lisa. Break a nigga into pieces. Had to X some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too.
hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl NK. Hi. Guys, I'm really sorry about that. I'm getting used to the new name. So it's your girl Favor with an E. Ooh, you know what I'm saying? So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a ring light I got from Oma Beauty. They sent it to me. So guys, okay, actually how I got this ring light was they did this giveaway on their page. So I followed up. I was so active on their page and everything. At first it's just one giveaway, but then I think the amount of people that were entering into the competition made them give like two ring lights out. So I want the second ring light, guys. You know now, when I see good thing, people run. So guys, I'm going to be showing you this 14 inches ring lights. That's what I need right now. You know. So guys, this is a 14 inches ring light. I guess this should be the stand and the tripod stand. It comes with a mirror. As you can see here, it has my name on it. It has my name on it here. So yeah, bye. This thing is heavy. So guys, I'm going to be unboxing this. See, this hair is stop moving. I'm tired. Guys, just manage it.
Sẹ́lẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan jíjó máa dàbà jíjó fẹsẹ̀ jó bébí kò dà lọ́wọ́ bẹ́sẹ̀lẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan jíjó máa dàbà jíjó fújì mi bébí kò dà o ó dẹ̀ lè gbẹ́sẹ̀ bíi ti Michael Jackson. Tell me baby I'm not asking ó dẹ̀ lè gbẹ́sẹ̀ bíi ti Michael Jackson. Follow me, baby, I'm still sad. Bẹ́sẹ̀lẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan, jíjó máa dàbà, jíjó fẹsẹ̀ jó. Baby go down low. Bẹ́sẹ̀lẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan, jíjó máa dàbà, jíjó fújì mi. Baby go down low. Ìfẹ́ tí mo ní sí ẹ, máa sálí kọ́ọ̀dọ̀. Lóbi China kọ́ọ̀dọ̀. I get money, I'ma no be borrow pose. Shebi na me them sabi, shebi na you them color be I want to dash you. Shebi na you them delay before the matter go late. I got come find you. Bẹ́sẹ̀lẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan, jíjó máa dàbà, jíjó fẹsẹ̀ jó. Baby go down low, bẹ́sẹ̀lẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan, jíjó máa dàbà, jíjó fújì mi. Baby go down low, bẹ́sẹ̀lẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan, jíjó máa dàbà, jíjó fẹsẹ̀ jó. Baby go down.
Are you seeing? Can you see your girl? Shit. Like, see, you could change the color. Oh my god, I'm loving Oma Beauty. Please, you guys should patronize Oma Beauty. Oh my god, can you guys see somebody's 9 months? Guys, look at somebody's 9 months. Jesus, you guys are not ready for what is coming your way. Like, You guys don't know. They don't know. So you guys should please patronize Oma Beauty. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Like you could I'm so happy. Thank you, God. This is beautiful. I can see everything. It's so smooth. Oh, my body is scratching me. Guys, I'm so excited. If you are looking for a ring light, like if you're looking for any good makeup product, Oma Beauty, I'm telling you guys, Oma Beauty, they don't fail. Like, you guys should go and order from them, patronize them. I'm serious. Can you see this? Can you see the quality? Guys, can you? Oh, stop it. It's better. Let me show you guys the former ring light I was using, so you guys like have an idea of what I was saying. This is a 10-inch ring light, by the way. Yes, and I've been using this like throughout my journey, you know, when I started. It's so sad. I don't want to say goodbye, but I have to. Baby, you're out. My ring light, my baby. You get me? Yeah, it's me and my ring light. The ring light, it is so beautiful, so much. I can't even lie. I can't. I just can't lie. Oh my god, guys. Thanks for liking and staying to the end. You are amazing, guys. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel up till now, I don't know what you're waiting for. You're looking for reality. That's the problem. When I'm excited, I talk too much.
My girl, seen a lot of faces, but nobody.
Been that bitch, still that bitch.